I lost my Facebook Reels monetization a couple of days ago, but guess what? It's back. In this video, I want to talk about what happened and also what I did. How can you contact Facebook just in case if you get into any issues with the Facebook monetization? Let's jump right into this. And actually, before we do that, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, so here you go. I'm logged into my Facebook Creator Studio. So normally I go to my Creator Studio to look at the status of my Facebook Reels play bonus. I did that a couple of days ago, and this button right here, this was turned red. I was like, OMG, what happened? And then I clicked on it and it said, you have trouble, your monetization has been restricted. So what I did, I went to, there's another tab here called policy issues. So that's where I went, and there was more details here. Right now it says no monetization violation, but let me show you what I saw because I did take the screenshot. So let me bring that up. So here is what I saw. If you look at this, so restricted monetization. So my page stopped making any money from Facebook Reels. And I saw these two things right here. So the first one said the monetization policy violation, and the second one said ineligible country. So this is really interesting because on our page, this page right here, we didn't add any admins recently, but we did have an admin who was in a country which is outside of United States. But he has been an admin on the page for a long time. So I kind of had this hunch that maybe that was the issue. Maybe that was causing this trigger or this error, the restricted monetization from Facebook. And then when I clicked on the monetization tools tab, here's what I saw. Same thing, Reels Play, we have restricted your ability to earn money, and it's ineligible country. So very, very strange. So obviously the first thing I did, I removed that admin from my Facebook page. So that's the first thing I did. The second thing I did, and I believe this is probably what saved or what helped us big time, I contacted Facebook and I spoke with the rep on the chat. By the way, you can call and also chat with Facebook's rep if anything happens. If for Facebook Reels issues, for Facebook ads issues, for Facebook pages issues, let me know in the comments below if you want to learn more. I can create a separate video how you can reach out to Facebook, how you can talk to them. But same thing, he looked at my account, or the rep looked at my account, and he said everything looks good. There's nothing wrong on your page. But do make sure you request the review. So what's that? If you go back here, there's this button right here. It says request another review. So this was enabled when I had the violation. So I did request the review, and then it took them not 24 hours. He said it's probably going to take them 24 hours, but I want to say it took them longer. It took them probably close to 48 hours, so almost like 2 days. And then everything was gone, everything was fixed. And it was back to green, and my Reels started making money again. So really interesting incident. Another thing I'll mention, so even though it said ineligible country, there was another error message, and I did go back. So right here, it said ineligible country right here, but see right here, here's a monetization policy violation, and it said your page was flagged for behavior or content that goes against blah blah blah. Against the policies. Another thing I did, I also went through the page, the recent Reels that we have posted, and I noticed that in some of the most recent Reels, I was talking about TikTok a lot. TikTok recently released stories, so I had several Reels about how TikTok got that feature from Facebook. So I was talking about TikTok a lot. So another thing I did before I reached out to Facebook and requested the review, I deleted those videos just in case. I don't know if that was kind of causing it or not, but my hunch is, my feeling is it was probably the admin that we had on our page from another country outside the United States. So if you ever run into an issue like this where you have restricted monetization, you can follow some of these steps and hopefully it will get fixed ASAP for you as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.